Hey everybody, Danny with Good Guys Gardening here today, and I wanted to talk to you guys about starting off your herb garden at home, or because cannabis is legal, you are allowed 4 plants. Really anything that's a small plant, I'm going to show you kind of how to go through it. So here we've got the Sunblaster Nano. So here you'd want to start your little seedlings. If you've got any herbs, it's a great way to start them because it does keep all the humidity in there. I don't know if you can see from there, but it does, because it keeps all the humidity in there, it lets it grow much faster because it is supplied by T5 light. Now once they get too big for this, at that point you'd want to move them to the grow light garden. This allows for much more space, and the roof of it has 2 bulbs which are both T5s, and they move about a foot. So even when your little lettuces or your little cannabis plants are just little tiny guys, you could still grow them fully up. And funny enough, my mom has this in her house, and in the winter, especially here in Canada on the west coast, it gets super cold. You can't grow your herbs outside. You gotta go to a superstore, you gotta waste that money supplying other markets. Now what if you could grow it on your own? Now that's really what my mom does. She has all her herbs, her chives, everything growing within the garden. Now I'm sure you want to see what it looks like in real life, so let me show you. Right over here we've got it properly set up, and you can see we've got some plants here, a little fern. And the way it works is all you do is you pour your water into the reservoir. It collects by this sheet here, and it keeps it soaked, therefore it's bottom feeding your plants constantly. So all you need to do, even if you're going on vacation for 2 weeks, even a week let's say, you fill it to the very top, and you should be set up for up to 14 days. And it'll water itself, you don't need to do anything. So if you're going on vacation and you still want your herbs to live, it's a great way to go about it. And if you don't want herbs, you can grow really anything. Anything you can find in a garden store, you can grow there. So if you guys do have any more questions, my name is Danny. Don is here as well most days from Thursdays to Saturdays. If you have any questions, you can come in at 284 Mackenzie South in Williams Lake, and we're here till 5 p.m. Monday to Tuesday, 6 p.m. Wednesday to Thursday, and 7 p.m. on Friday. And we're here on Saturday as well till 5 p.m. So come in anytime, ask us any questions, message us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be releasing a lot more videos with tips and gardening advice. So if you guys need anything, this is Danny with Good Guys Gardening. See you later.